Hello there and welcome back, and thanks for stopping by. This is Total OS Today, Total Technology for Beginners and Beyond. Well, one of the more common, somewhat common questions I've received in the past is what screen recorder do I use in either Windows or Linux? Of course, I use both. Well, check out OBS Screen Recorder. That's OBS Studio Screen Recorder. This one seems to work pretty good. I've had good luck with this in both Windows and Linux. Sometimes in Linux I'll use Kazam or Simple Screen Recorder, but this one seems pretty stable. So I've talked about this before. Let's dive into the settings, or at least some of the settings to create a decent quality recording. Let's scroll down to the tab Output. Now this is, let's first hit the recording tab. Now this is grayed out here. This is normal as you are recording. So briefly, output mode is advanced. Type is standard. My recording path is to my desktop, which is this file here. Recording format is MP4. Audio track is 1. Encoder 264. My resolution. My rate control is VBR. My bit rate, I have it set to 8000. You can experiment with this to see what is best for you. I do not click use custom buffer size, the CRF, or the custom recording or custom rate frame. I forget what it is, what it's called. I think it's custom rate frame. I have it set to 23, but once again, the quality of this will depend on the setting. I would suggest you experiment with this. If you use these settings, and I will upload this as it is, no editing, you will see how good this is. Okay, so keyframe interval 0, CPU usage preset. Again, you can experiment with this. I have it set to very fast. Profile none, tune is none, and I do not click this option here at the bottom. Another option that you can use is to adjust the frame rate. I have it set to 30. You can try 60 if you wish, but for me and for most people, probably 30 is good enough. And the filter, downscale filter, I have it set to bicubic. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And if you use at least these settings, you should be okay in creating a decent quality recording to upload as it is to YouTube or to run in your favorite video editor. Before I go, just a couple things. Make sure you check out the channel updates for this past week. Another thing that's very timely and topical, this video here is about a week old, making sense, C-E-N-T-S and C-E-N-S-C, making sense of ad block. This is something I should have talked about before. Some requests on this here, but this is about really what YouTube creators or YouTube personalities do to help keep their channel going, and it has, as luck would have it, or as time would have it, one of the options I listed, YouTube is taken away, which is not necessarily a bad thing. They have something else going on, but it's the support button that you could click on that YouTube main channel to make a donation for each month, or however you wanted to do it. That's going away in favor of something else, which I will talk about later. But it just goes to show how, in a state of flux and change, that YouTube personalities need to keep up with to maintain their respective channels. Now, another option, of course, is PayPal. Another option in addition to that is Patreon. I revamped the Total OS Today Patreon page, basically starting back to 0. So if you're interested in helping out this channel, this is probably one of the more popular and easiest ways to help out a channel, besides Amazon links, PayPal, selling stuff, and collaborations, and the list goes on. But if you're interested and you would like to help out the channel, of course, it will be greatly appreciated. All the links will be below in the show notes. I did not set any goals. Really, my main goal is to connect with you guys, and if you guys could help me out, that will be even better. Well, that's it. If you have a favorite screen recorder, let me know. If I missed anything when it comes to the settings or anything else, please let me know in the comments below. As always, enjoy your technology. Please don't text and drive. I'll catch you guys later. Take care.